Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I'm going to be chit-chatting with you guys about the things that I've been doing to keep my hair moisturized since I posted that last week's video. And you guys have given me some suggestions and I have been trying to apply them. Not just that, but I'm going to be also sharing what I've been eating, because I realized something amazing, that your hair doesn't just get dry from the outside. Sometimes it's because you're not doing the right things internally. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. I know it's in your background, but don't worry about that. I'll get to explaining as to why I always use different backgrounds. Not always, but sometimes. It's because of how my life is set up. But anyway, we don't care about that. Let's focus on why we are here today, okay? So the first thing that I decided to do was go back to what already has been working for me. What I know worked for me the whole of last year, which is, I know this is a weird bottle, but this is my spritzer. I remake this every Sunday, and what I have in here is I have a little bit of hibiscus, alma powder, and fenugreek powder. You guys know that I love those powders and I have been using them, so I just felt like putting them in a spritzer might help me. And yeah, it's just water. Try to make sure that you keep this in the fridge, because it doesn't have a preservative. It can actually grow fungus and like mold and all of those yucky stuff. So make sure that anytime you're going to be doing some sort of DIY, you can try to use another antioxidant, maybe like vitamin E. Just keep it in the fridge and then discard after like 7 days. All right, great. So that's the first thing that I've been doing. And how I've been using my spritzer is I would spritz my hair each and every day, okay? And since then my hair has definitely improved in terms of staying hydrated for a bit longer than normal. And then what I would do is I would spread out my moisturizing routine. Hear me out, okay? So what I would do is, let's pretend like, you know, it's a normal week. It's Monday today. So Monday I will spritz my hair. Tuesday I will spritz and use a leave-in conditioner and an oil. Wednesday I will just spritz. Thursday I will do the whole LOC method. I will do liquid, cream, and oil on the Thursday, and then the Friday I will just spritz. Or if my hair is feeling fine, I won't do anything. Then the Saturday I will spritz plus oil, or just spritz alone. And then the Sunday I will do a spritz and an oil and a leave-in conditioner. But I'm spreading it out because sometimes, you know, shea butter is not heavy, but because my hair is in repairing mode, I have to take it easy and try to balance it out and try to figure out what it is that my hair is like needing, and I have to listen to it more than anything, okay? So that's the first thing that I've been doing. I've been spreading out my moisturizing routine. It actually does help. I am thinking about including a humectant such as aloe vera, to aloe vera gel, and just use spritzer and aloe vera gel and leave it in my hair. You guys must let me know if you want me to experiment with aloe vera like that. Let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do that. Then the second thing is that you guys know that I'm iron deficient, so I'm finally done with, this was 30 tablets, and I took them for a full month, and my hair and nails have definitely been recovering. So I normally take that with vitamin C, and actually vitamin C is also good for your hair, just so nobody told you. So I've been taking that with vitamin C, but obviously I stopped this Monday. That's when my 30 days was finished, and now there's nothing in here, super empty. So if you are iron deficient, make sure that you are taking your medication, because that does play a huge role in the health of your hair. If you don't, your hair will be thinning, your hair will be breaking, and you won't understand why. There are a few ways to check if you're iron deficient. The first one, I would say, just go to the doctor, do a test. They will tell you if you're iron deficient. But if you don't want to do that and you're like me and you have had iron deficiency for the longest of time, I think I've had it since I was 18 years old, so I kind of know when I am feeling a bit out of it. You know, I get tired, I become very dizzy when I stand up too fast. The eyes have like they're not very pinkish, but like very light pink, almost palish, and And what else, my nails become very brittle, and I also start to get these fine dark lines in my nails. So that's kind of how I know that my eye is not doing well, and I lose a lot of weight, so drastically even so. So that's what I've been doing. Then the other things that I've been trying to manage my stress levels, I mean, you get healthy stress and unhealthy stress. So I've been trying to, if I feel like might be an unhealthy stress that I might be getting, I try to manage that. And you know, I've also went back to the gym. That's the other thing. Working out actually helps your hair grow. It helps to keep your hair moisturized. I know that sounds very weird, but do cardio and tell me how your hair feels afterwards. That's it. You don't have to believe me. I always tell you guys this. You don't have to believe me. Go do it and then tell me how your hair feels afterwards. Then the other thing I've been doing is I have been keeping my scalp clean. Okay, I know a lot of you guys do not, or rather they're a bit lazy, and you end up washing your hair just once a month. That maybe could be contributing to as to why your hair might be dry. Don't get it twisted. There are people who have a routine that whereby when they wash their hair once a month, it works perfectly. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the people that know that their hair is dirty, and they know that they're supposed to be washing their hair every Friday, bi-weekly, or every second week, and they're not doing it. Okay, we all have different hair types, and what works for you might not work for me, but I find that keeping my scalp clean helps. Okay, it helps so much. So make sure that you are also doing that, because child, product buildup is a real thing. Okay, it's a real thing, and the last thing you need is to have all of this dirty products stuck in your hair, and all you're doing is applying fresh products daily, but they're not even penetrating through your hair strands, and they don't get to do what they're supposed to do because your hair is dirty. You're applying fresh products on dirty hair. I don't suggest you do that. Then the last thing that I have been doing and loving is collagen. I have started drinking collagen powder. This is from Health Connection Whole Foods, and this is just pure collagen powder. The reason why I actually started drinking collagen, it was not because I wanted my hair to improve or anything. It's because I started working out. Okay, and when I work out, normally I don't do cardio, I do yoga and weightlifting. So I felt like, because with the weightlifting, I want my muscles to actually progress and to show up. I want when I lift my arms to be like, oh, muscles, you know. But so that's actually the reason why I started taking collagen. But let me tell you what happens when you take collagen for your hair. Okay, so what it does is, because this is literally 90% protein and our hair is made out of about 40% protein, this is going to help to strengthen your hair follicles. Not just that, but I'm sure you guys know that your hair as a whole has like phases, right? And in your anagen phase, which is where it's kind of like your growth phase, where your hair doesn't focus on anything but on growing. Okay, so what the protein does is, because it has, this is protein creatine, because it has creatine, it actually helps your hair re-enter the anagen stage of your growth cycle, so that your hair stays in that phase a little bit longer. Therefore, you'll be able to retain more length, because you are getting assistance, and it is forcing your growth cycle to go into the anagen phase. So yeah, that's the reason why I have been loving it. Not just that, but it is packed with amino acids, and it actually helps to strengthen your hair. That's actually why I love it, because my hair has been breaking, but with the help of this, definitely stopped breaking, and then this is definitely gonna strengthen my hair as a whole. Before I actually go, let me know what are the other things that you have been doing internally to help your hair grow, to keep your hair moisturized. Also, the other thing that no one wants to talk about is water. Drink water. I'm back to drinking 2 liters of water daily now, and my hair, I can see it. I can see it on my skin. You guys can see it on my skin. I can see it on my hair. I can feel, I even feel different. So make sure that you're drinking your water, and that is it. Okay, don't want to make this one too long. Let me know in the comment section what you've been doing to internally to keep your hair moisturized and hydrated and healthy and growing and happy. So I'll see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.